Failure. It's a word that can strike fear into the hearts of many. But what if I told you that failure is not the end, but a crucial stepping stone on the path to success? In life, we all experience failure. It's a natural part of the journey towards our goals. But what truly matters is how we respond to failure. I remember the moment when I failed. It felt like the world was crashing down on me, but then I realized that failure is not the end of the road, but an opportunity to learn and grow. Failure teaches us valuable lessons. It shows us what doesn't work and pushes us to find new ways to succeed. It builds resilience and strength within us. I failed multiple times before I achieved success. Each failure taught me something new and brought me closer to my goals. Failure is not a sign of weakness, but a sign that you are pushing yourself beyond your limits. So if you're feeling discouraged by failure, remember this. Every successful person has faced failure at some point. It's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up. Embrace failure as a teacher, not a punishment. Use it as fuel to propel you forward towards your dreams. Remember, failure is not the end of your story. It's just the beginning of a new chapter filled with growth, resilience, and ultimately success. Embrace failure, learn from it, and keep moving forward.